Have you ever sat down to a plate of perfectly seared scallops? Those tender, sweet morsels of oceanic goodness seem so simple, so elegant. But behind every bite is a story that starts in the deep, cold ocean. It's not just about catching a fish and putting it on ice. Scallop processing is a high-tech adventure. Millions of tons are harvested globally each year, requiring a system that's part biology, part engineering, and all logistics. From the moment a scallop is scooped from the seabed, the clock is ticking to preserve its delicate flavor and texture. Every step, from harvest to shucking, cleaning, and packing, is a race against time. So how do we transform a creature in a fan-shaped shell into a culinary superstar? We'll dive into the ocean, step inside the factory, and meet the people and machines behind the scenes. The world of scallop processing is where ancient fishing traditions meet modern food science. We'll explore the scallop's incredible biology. Did you know it has dozens of eyes? And we'll see how the industry tackles sustainability, ensuring we can enjoy these ocean gems for generations. Grab your metaphorical lab coat and non-slip boots. We're going on a factory tour, starting with the star of the show, the scallop itself. Let's pull back the curtain on this fascinating journey. Prepare to be amazed. Let's get one thing straight. A scallop is not a clam or an oyster. While all are bivalve mollusks, scallops are the athletic cousins. Many can actually swim. When threatened, a scallop claps its shells, jetting away in a zigzag dance. The part we eat is the adductor muscle, the engine behind that movement. It's large, tender, and sweet, unlike the gritty muscles of clams. In some places people also eat the roe, but for most it's all about that succulent muscle. Here's a wild fact. Scallops have up to 200 tiny blue eyes lining their mantle. These eyes don't see shapes, but they're great at detecting light and motion, an early warning system against predators. The scallop's fan-shaped shell isn't just beautiful, it's a protective home. Its powerful muscle is both a survival tool and a culinary delight. Understanding the scallop's biology gives us a new appreciation for this remarkable animal. It's more than just a tasty morsel, it's a marvel of the ocean. Now let's see how we get them out of the water. The journey from sea to plate is about to get even more interesting. Ready to dive in? Let's go. How do we harvest scallops from the ocean floor? The main method is dredging. Picture a heavy metal rake attached to a chainmail bag, dragged behind a fishing boat. This dredge scoops up scallops, shells, rocks, everything in its path. It's efficient. A single boat can haul in thousands of pounds per trip. But dredging is controversial. It can damage sensitive habitats and disrupt marine ecosystems. The industry is working on less destructive gear and using mapping technology to avoid fragile areas. Regulations limit the size of scallops kept and the number of fishing days to protect stocks. It's a balancing act meeting demand while safeguarding the ocean. Dredging is just one piece of the puzzle. There's also a more selective, sustainable way to harvest scallops. Enter the world of diver-caught scallops, a more artisanal, eco-friendly approach. Divers handpick only the largest, most mature scallops, leaving smaller ones to grow. There's virtually no bycatch or habitat damage. It's tough, cold, and risky work, but the result is a premium product. Diver-caught scallops are fresher, often sweeter and more tender, and command higher prices. When you see diver-caught on a menu, it's a mark of quality and care. This method highlights the trade-off between efficiency and environmental impact. Dredging supplies the masses, diving caters to those seeking quality and sustainability. Both methods shape the global scallop story. But once harvested, all scallops head to the same place, the processing factory. That's where the real race begins. Once ashore, scallops are rushed to the processing plant. The first step, shucking, separating the meat from the shell. Skilled workers, or shuckers, use blunt knives to pop open shells, slice the muscle free, and toss the meat into buckets. It's a fast, precise rhythm. Pop, slice, toss. An experienced shucker can process hundreds per hour. The goal: remove the muscle cleanly, leaving no shell or viscera. Time is critical to maintain freshness. Some factories use automated shucking machines, but many argue nothing beats the human touch for quality. Machines boost efficiency, but can damage the delicate muscle. The debate between hand and machine shucking continues. Empty shells are often repurposed for landscaping or crafts. Nothing goes to waste. But for our scallops, the next step is a thorough wash. The journey from shell to plate is just getting started. Let's see what happens next. On to rinsing, sorting, and grading. After shucking, scallops get a spa treatment, rinsed in cold, clean water to remove grit and shell fragments. Water temperature is kept just above freezing to preserve texture and prevent bacteria. Once clean, scallops are sorted and graded by size, U10 for the biggest, 20/30ths for smaller ones. Consistent sizing is crucial for chefs and retailers. Sorting is often done by skilled workers, but optical machines are becoming more common, using cameras and lasers for speed and accuracy. This is the final quality checkpoint before packaging. Every box must meet strict standards for size and quality. Attention to detail transforms a simple mollusk into a premium product. Now the scallops are ready for their coldest journey yet. Freezing is up next. Let's see how it's done. Freezing is vital for getting scallops from the coast to your plate wherever you are. Most scallops are frozen using individual quick freezing, IQF, which locks in freshness and texture. Scallops are frozen individually in a blast freezer, preventing clumping and preserving quality. Rapid freezing creates tiny ice crystals, keeping the meat tender when thawed. After freezing, scallops are weighed and packaged. Some are treated with preservatives like STP to retain moisture, but dry-packed scallops are chemical-free and preferred by chefs. The final product is stored in massive cold warehouses ready for global shipment. IQF technology and efficient logistics make the worldwide scallop market possible. Now, chefs everywhere can enjoy scallops that taste almost as fresh as the day they were caught. But this global appetite comes with responsibility. How do we ensure scallops for the future? Let's talk sustainability. The global demand for scallops puts pressure on wild populations and marine ecosystems. Overfishing has led to boom and bust cycles, harming both scallops and fishing communities. Sustainable management is key, limiting seasons, enforcing size limits, and setting catch quotas based on scientific surveys. It's a constant process of monitoring and adjustment. Scallop farming, or aquaculture, is also on the rise, growing scallops in nets or cages with minimal environmental impact. Farmed scallops are a sustainable, eco-friendly option. As consumers, we play a role. Look for certifications like the Marine Stewardship Council or Choose Farmed Scallops. Asking where your scallops come from sends a message that sustainability matters. Enjoying scallops responsibly helps protect the oceans for future generations. The journey from sea to plate is about more than taste. It's about stewardship. Our choices matter. Let's savor scallops and the oceans that provide them. Next time you see a scallop on your plate, remember its incredible journey. From the ocean depths to the factory floor, it's a story of hard work, ingenuity, and care. We've seen how scallops are harvested, processed, and preserved for tables around the world. We've explored the balance between efficiency and sustainability. Our connection to the ocean, and our responsibility to protect it, runs through every bite. By choosing wisely, we help ensure a future for scallops and the people who depend on them. Appreciate the biology, the craftsmanship, and the innovation behind every scallop. Savor each bite, and be curious about where your food comes from. The journey makes that final, delicious moment even more satisfying. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a hot pan and some butter.